In this video, I'm going to show you how to add free memberships on Patreon. So the first order of business is to load into Patreon like you normally would, and then go to the bottom left and select on your name right over here, and you want to double check that your page is selected. Afterwards, you're able to go ahead and select on dashboard, then press over here where it says edit page. It is then going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and what you need to do from here is you need to go to the left menu, press on header details, and then scroll down just a little bit, and then you're able to see memberships and earnings, and you're going to see this button that says settings. So you just want to go ahead and press on that. Then there you go. It's then going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. So the next order of business is you want to go ahead and scroll down just a little bit until you see this section that says free membership visibility. So you want to make sure that show free and paid options is actually turned on, because that is going to allow you to have a join for free button prominently on your page. And then from there, basically people are able to follow your Patreon and stuff like that without paying. They're able to receive public posts and creator updates. And at any point in time, they can go ahead and upgrade to a paid tier at any time. So the free membership could be for like news, announcements, sneak peeks, polls, etc. And you guys could then add more tiers on top of that and stuff like that. So that there is definitely pretty useful. And you're able to go ahead and make posts and specify whether you want them to be part of like the general audience without the membership, or if you only want it to be exclusive to the paid members of your Patreon. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.